Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tech. So today we are unboxing my very first Boxycharm box. I'm excited, and guess who hasn't opened it yet because I just ran downstairs to go get it? This girl. Y'all will get to see my reaction. Y'all will get to see my happiness. I'm so happy because these are full bottles of product of makeup or skincare or whatever, and I'm too freaking excited. Let's jump in to this and see what I got. But before I open this box, make sure to subscribe, okay? Like, I don't want to have to keep telling y'all to subscribe, but if I have to, I will. Okay, we're opening it. Ooh, ooh. Before I show any product, I gotta look at the stuff, that they sent me. Oh, they must be showing me what I got. I don't want to read it yet. Thank you, Boxycharm. Not sponsored. Wish I was. I'm gonna stay subscribed to this thing forever. Let's get into the reviewing, y'all. Okay. So I got my Dr. Brent Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Legit. Oh, hold on. We're focusing. Focus. Let me see. Focus. There we go. Boom, baby. Okay, let's see. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. I like this. I like this. Apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. I might have to use this. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay. And it's for all skin types too. So, yeah. That's the first product. If you've been watching me from last year, that's when I started doing my reviews on my Ipsy bags, and that was kind of like just samples. I'm grown. So I need to start paying for grown stuff. Okay, next we have Tarte BU Naturally. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is cute. Packaging is cute or whatever. Wish I could open it. Yeah, they're natural. They're really pretty. This can definitely, oh, mirror. This could definitely help with like my makeup kit when I need to start adding stuff to it. Fun fact, Tarte has clay in almost all of their products. So like if you have problematic skin, if you're sensitive, if you're really oily, Tarte is the best brand for you. These are sheet masks and they still feel good. Haru or Heru Wonder Mac Berry Antioxidant Mask. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, this some good stuff. Anti-wrinkle brightening dual functional cosmetic. Skin irritation test completed. Okay, so you're supposed to use it after cleansing the skin, even out skin using a toner. Place the sheet on the face except the eyes and around the mouth. Rest comfortably for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this looks like some good stuff, and it seems like it's going to be really good for like calming the skin as well because it's still really cold. An intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even toned complexion. Okay. I'm digging it. They gave me a lot of stuff. This is more than 5 stuff. I ain't complaining. Maybe it's because it's my first box. What is this? Oh, I'm really sitting here like, what the heck is this? This is by Milk Cosmetics. Holographic stick. Oh, it's an illuminating stick. Instantly melts into the skin using milk melt technology. Holographic pearls provide a prismatic finish. Infused with mango butter, peach nectar, avocado oil, and meteorite dust. Apparently, it says you can apply this to the cheekbones, lips, eyes, and can be applied to bare skin over makeup. Okay, so let's swatch it real quick and see how it looks. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at that. That is pretty. Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm gonna be using this. Yup. This is cute. So freaking cute. I like this. Yeah, I'll definitely probably use it on my cheekbone. I never really used a pink, and I remember I said I was going to, but I'm gonna try it. Let's look at the next product. I hope I say it's right. Caprice. Oh. So apparently this is a quench and glow serum. Okay, so let me read the description to you guys. It says antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Use as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Skin type. Made for skin desiring a kiss of hydration. That's me. All right, let's open it and see what the bottle looks like. Okay, we got some drops. I feel fancy. Oh, it's milky. It feels nice. Y'all, this stuff feels amazing. Oh my God. The dew is right there. Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm gonna be using this stuff, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I like it. Okay, oh my God. Okay, we got two more things. I got my Dose of Colors lipstick. It's called Date Night. Oh, it's a liquid matte lipstick. I might have to keep this in my kit. I'm just not into lipsticks like that no more, y'all. Like, at all. But I'm still gonna swatch it for you guys just so you can see. So this is what it looks like. Let's swatch it real quick. Oh. Ooh. This must be a blue red. That's pretty. I think this is a red I could deal with. It's not my drop dead red from, you know, Too Faced, but I can dig it. All right, and last but not least, Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God, now I gotta do swatches, but I don't wanna mess it up. Okay, so first one we're going to do is Eternal Light. Why? There we go. Okay, it's kind of pretty. That's pretty. It's very sheer. Okay, I like that. Then we'll go in with Fireball. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Ooh. This thing playing tricks on me. It's pink and it's orange. Ooh. Y'all can't see it, but it's like, if you look at it from different angles, it's a different color. Then we're gonna go in with Black Matter. Pretty. Zero Gravity. I guess that's a pretty brown, but it's a little on the ashier side, but it's cool, it's cool. Lucid Dream. Oh yes, ma'am, I'm gonna have to use that one. Definitely. Lucid Dream. Storm Dust. Oh, I like that one. That's a better brown. This brown right here is more for cool tone, cause yeah, I see why it's called Zero Gravity. All right, Lunar Eclipse. Hold on, I might need to get more Lunar Eclipse. And then Mystic Ice, and I know I'm gonna be using this faithfully. Yup, we'll be using this faithfully. So far, I'm liking it. I like all the colors in this. It was really nice. I like that. Y'all, I'm so excited. I didn't know that it was gonna be this amazing. Oh my God. The serum by Caprice, the milky one, is $90. $90. Oh my God. I'm reading the card now because it was telling me everything that was in the box, but I didn't want to read it yet. I don't see the price for this one, so I guess this was my free product or free gift that I got. Okay, so Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. This one's $35 if you were to buy it in store. Then the Milk Cosmetics holographic stick. This one's $28. Dose of Color matte lipstick. This one's $18. I feel like they gave me more. I'm not tripping, but I'm pretty sure the Tarte palette, the natural Tarte palette I showed y'all earlier, probably like in the $30 range, I'm pretty sure. The sheet masks that I got are $9 each. So I'm glad they sent this to me because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this stuff. This is what wowed me for real. This and the Milk Cosmetics, that's what really did it for me. Best subscription I've ever made in my life. I don't think I'm going to let this go, you know? And although I'm still gonna shop for makeup, it's gonna help me add on to my makeup kit, my personal stuff real quick. Cause baby, I'm a makeupaholic. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow my Instagram and Twitter, Rudy Tate with an _. And please click that subscribe button, you guys, please. It would really mean the world to me. Okay, guys, make sure not to be disrespectful today. If you be disrespectful, I'ma know. All right, y'all have a good one. Peace out.